Oh, hi everyone. This is Sampada and welcome to my channel Scrap Me Collection. So, this is a video walkthrough of this lovely, adorable baby album that I have in front of me, and I just love the way it has turned out. But there is one more reason I'm here, and it is that lately I have posted some videos on my channel, and I have got lot of mails, I have got a lot of messages, and people are taking out so much of time to write down, so long mails and appreciation mails, and they are saying that they are loving my work and even they are finding inspirations from my albums. So that was very overwhelming, and then I decided to come personally and thank you all because it really means a lot. And this work is my passion, this work is my bread and butter as well. But when you work really hard and you get appreciated, it means a lot, it pays off. So I'm so happy, and that is why I'm here. And I hope I can bring more ideas, new ideas, and inspire you all in different ways. And even I got mails, and people were requesting to give free tutorials. And I did a poll recently, and the question was, are you interested in free tutorial? If yes, then what do you want to learn? And the options were envelope and shabby chic card, mini albums, photo folios, and I think one more was there. And the mini album has got the highest percentage, so I'm planning to come up with a free tutorial of a mini album. It will be a quick mini album so that even beginners can also do it, even the non-crafters can also find it easy. And I do workshops all over India, and there are two phases of the workshop. The one is the face-to-face workshop. So if you are from Delhi or Delhi NCR, like I'm based in Gurgaon, so if you're from Delhi NCR, you can come over and you can do a face-to-face workshop. And if you are not from Delhi or from NCR, then you can always join the online workshop. And you're always welcome to learn. And if you want to come in this industry, if you want to come in this field and explore more of this paper crafting. So now let me come back to this album, and again I really want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to swap the camera, so you will get a nice top view of this album, and I'll just take you through the inside pages. So let's do it. Okay, so now you can see the top view of this album. This album is 6x8 inches in size, and it's very chunky. And the papers which I have used is from Dress My Craft. It is Little Miracle paper collection. Also I have used Dress My Craft's Little Miracle motif sheet, and also the die cutouts, because when you make albums, you need embellishments, you need stickers, you need to make 3D embellishments. So these motif sheets and the cutouts are just perfect if you want to make your own embellishments, which I have done in this album. I'll show you later on when I'll go inside. And this album is actually a gift for a baby shower. So I have used this collection because this is a unisex paper collection, and it is very much suitable because you don't know the sex of the baby. So it is perfect gift if you want to make scrapbooks for baby shower, if you want to make envelopes and cards, or even the baby shower invitations. This paper is just perfect. So if you'll see the cover page, you can see I have made a shaker frame. So I'll just shake it so you can. There are a lot of sequins and little hearts inside, and some pearls as well. And around this frame I have done some clustering, some flower cluster. I have not used much flowers, and you can see some 2-3 flowers are there. And I have used some shabby laces, these beautiful laces. And this one is a very beautiful sea green lace, which is going very well with this paper background. And also there are some motif sheet cutouts. So here is one, and here it is written welcome to the family. And there are 2 sentiments over here, and you can see this cute little kitten which I have, which is a 3D kitten. I have pasted it here. And this lovely raisin deer is here. It is from Crafters Corner, and most of the supplies are from Crafters Corner. And this is the spine, which is simple, and this is the back of the album. So let me take you inside this album, and let me open the book. Okay, so this is the first page, and it is a pocket. So you can see there is a beautiful cutout over here. So this was from the Little Miracle die cutouts pack. so I used it here. This is just perfect if you don't want to spend a lot of time in doing the fuzzy cutting and making the cutouts from the motif sheet. This is just perfect because these are pre-cutouts and you can use it to embellish your album. So this is a pocket, and you can see there are some journaling note cards and some photo mats in there. So it goes like this. Now this is the next page. So it is a magnetic flap from the bottom of this page, and you can see some embellishment, some flower clusters, some shabby laces are here, and also you can see this cutout from the motif sheet. And this is magnetic. It opens up like this, so you have room for pictures over here. So I'll just show you how you can put pictures in there. So let me just show you. You can put picture like this, so you can also put picture like this. And then you have this photo booklet, so you can put lot of pictures in there, and you can do some journaling over here. And it opens up like this, and you can put lot of pictures like this. And it opens up like this right here, and it goes in this way. So moving on to the next page. So this next page is a pocket page, and you can see I have used some burlap over here, and this is a lovely message, and I embellished it with these flowers. And in this pocket there are some photo mats. So there is one photo mat over here, and then there is this photo booklet, and it can hold 1 2 3 4 pictures. Even if you want, you can do some journaling on the back side. So it goes like this. And there is this journaling note card. So here it is written baby's first. So you can write down anything you want, like baby's first bath or baby's first photo, and you can also put picture on the back side. So it goes like this. Now this is the next page, and I kept it simple because this page has a lovely background, and I have pasted this cute ducky over here. This is 3D, and you can put picture like this. Now next page is a vertical pocket which can hold photo mats. So here is a photo mat which can hold 3 pictures in here, and some journaling note cards are there, like baby's first set of toys and baby's first shoes. So you can put picture on the back side, or you can also do journaling if you don't want to put picture. Then you can see these embellishments that I have done, and there is this embellishment, and here is a space for journaling. So if you want, you can write down something, some date, or anything if you want. And this is the next page, and it has some photo note cards. So here it is written baby's first food, and baby's first bed, baby's first picnic. So I just tucked it here, and you can also put picture like this. So you can put picture like this, and then you can tuck it here in this way. All right, so let me just place it back on its. All right, so this is a magnetic flap which goes up, and you have room for pictures here, or you can also put picture like this in vertical. Now we'll go to the next page. So next page is a waterfall, and I have done some embellishments of laces and some fabric flowers, this 3D cute ducky over here, and then it opens up like this. So you have room for a lot of pictures in this waterfall. Okay, and now moving on to the next page. Here is a photo booklet, so you can put 2 pictures over here. You can do some journaling on this side. Then again, this is magnetic. Okay, so it opens up like this. You have room for picture here, you have room for picture over here. Then again you will open it, you again have room for picture here, or if you want to put 2 pictures, you can simply put 2 pictures like this. All right, and then you have room for picture here. So just close like this, and we will now move on to the next page, which has a belly band, a vertical belly band, and it has a note card which has some space for pictures. So here it is written baby's first teddy. I put this note card over here because I have used this beautiful teddy embellishment here. So it goes like this, and here is a room for some journaling. So the mom if she wants, she can do some journaling over here. And here is this beautiful 3D die cut, and then this is the photo mat which can hold pictures in it. And then I'm just going to put it back like this. Okay, so it goes like this, and this is the next page, which is simple. I have not done anything, so the mom can simply put pictures here like this. Now moving on to the next page. So the next page is having this twine closure, and actually these twines are attached with these two tags that I have made using the tag punch from Dress My Craft. So you can see these two tags over here. So in case if you are not left with magnets, in case if you don't want to give any kind of a ribbon closure, then this is just perfect, and you can make these kinds of tags and then you can give these kinds of twine closures. So it opens up like this, so room for a lot of pictures here, 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 and here as well. So you can put 1 2 3 4 5 to 6 pictures on this page. And let me just close it. So if you'll see it closely, I'm not sure whether it is coming in this frame or not, but if you'll see it closely, I have used this 3D embellishments on these tags to just make it a little more interactive and look good. Okay, now next page is a pocket. This pocket I have made using this embellishment, so some flowers, some mulberry roses, some die cuts, and some laces, and here it goes like this. So there are some note cards like baby's first birthday, baby's first word, and some room for pictures. So even you can use the back side of the note cards to put pictures. So it goes like this, and you can do some journaling over here. Now moving on to the second last page. Okay, so this is the second last page, and this is a magnetic closure. So this page was already so beautiful that I haven't done anything on this page. It is looking anyways very pretty. So it opens up like this, and you have room to put pictures here. Here, I'm not sure it is, I think it is coming into the frame. Yes, so room for pictures here, and then here is a photo booklet which can hold a lot of pictures like this. All right, and this is magnetic, it goes back like this. And now this is the last page, which is simple, and it can be used to put picture like this. So you have room for one picture over here. And now this is the back side of the album. So I hope, just let me put this back on this page. Okay, I hope you will like this album, and if you like it, do let me know, do share your comments, and your suggestions are always welcome. And if you like my videos, if you like my album, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you'll get all the notifications of upcoming videos and tutorials, and you know, you will get automatic updates on whatever is going on this channel. So thank you so much for your precious time, and thanks for stopping by. If you need the details of the materials that I have used in this album, just go through the description box, and you will get to see the links. You can directly go to the links and purchase the materials. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.